I want to let you know about a side to Ed JC Smith that you probably haven't seen. Now, I've worked with quite a few business coaches over the year, but Ed brings something to the table that no other coach has ever brought to me. And that's his ability to be able to focus on a therapy side to him, to have a more empathetic and caring and emotional style to his coaching. I went to Ed a little while ago, having had huge success of transitioning from a £97 a month membership model, which gave me a recurring 16 grand a month, completely closing that model and transitioning into high ticket, where we're now doing high ticket sales, 5 grand product, 6 months worth of coaching. Effectively, I was previously selling that for £97 a month. Now, having made that transition, as we all do in business, you have anxiety, you have fears, you get to a point where it's like, what is all of this for? What am I doing it every single day? You know, why am I feeling the way that I'm feeling when I'm achieving monetary goals, but I'm not necessarily achieving things personally? There's an incongruence, there's an inconsistency. You know, the dots aren't quite fully connected. And I reached out to Ed feeling this anxiety, I suppose. And Ed, just over a course of a few voice notes, a little bit of a one-to-one phone call, kind of took me on a bit of an emotional and mental journey that gave me even more clarity, that made me realign to some of the goals that I had took away that element of overwhelm that I was feeling and frustration, and, you know, just went into some depths of his own personal experience, why he had felt some of the ways in which he had feeling over the years. And I think that personal experience and personal journey that he's been on and is so open to and willing to share makes it even easier, you know, to have those conversations with him where I haven't had them with other coaches in the past, where it's just purely been a business relationship. So if you want someone who's not just about business, but is about you, your personal success, brings an empathetic nature to, you know, not just business coaching, but also personal development, mindset, and a degree of bloody therapy that all business owners need, then the Ed JC Smith is your man. Cheers, bro. Pleasure to call you a friend. Thanks for always supporting not just the financial and the business journey, but the mental one as well. Peace out.